Hey friends, if the enter key is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the settings for sticky keys and filter keys. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select keyboard and check that the switches for sticky keys and filter keys should be off. After this, you need to run the keyboard troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Then select other troubleshooters. Now, if you find the keyboard troubleshooter here, then run it because this has been ramped off in most of the devices. But if you find it, then use it. After this, you can update the keyboard drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for keyboard. Right click on the HID keyboard device and select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. If this doesn't work, uninstall the device. Then click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. And lastly, physically check the keyboard. What do I mean by it? Check for dust on the keyboard. If it's an external keyboard, then try connecting it to a different computer and then back to the main computer, because it is very rare for the enter key to go bad. I have heard about the spacebar going bad and a lot more, but the enter key, no, it doesn't, unless sticky keys or filter keys are activated. So in this case, I will suggest you to physically check the keyboard whether the problem is with the key itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.